Hi! Welcome back, our lovely viewers. Today we have a very interesting topic to explore. This can be very helpful for you to manage your health. What happens to your body if you take Moringa every day? Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or miracle tree, has gained immense popularity in the realm of health and nutrition in recent years. Native to regions of Africa and Asia, this plant has been celebrated for its exceptional nutritional and medicinal properties. In this video, we will explore the fascinating impact on your body if you incorporate Moringa into your daily routine. 1. Enhanced nutrient intake. Moringa leaves are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals. By consuming Moringa daily, you significantly boost your nutrient intake. Moringa is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, calcium, and iron. It's a particularly valuable addition to the diets of individuals with nutritional deficiencies. 2. Improved immune function. One of the most remarkable benefits of Moringa is its ability to bolster the immune system. Moringa leaves contain antioxidants and compounds that enhance the body's defense mechanisms. Regular consumption can help your body ward off infections and illnesses, keeping you healthier in the long run. 3. Increased energy levels. Moringa is a natural energy booster. It contains essential amino acids and vitamins that provide the body with a sustained release of energy throughout the day. By taking Moringa daily, you can experience increased vitality and reduced fatigue. 4. Lowering of inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help mitigate this risk. By reducing inflammation, it supports overall health and well-being. 5. Better digestive health. Moringa is a rich source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. It aids in bowel regularity and can help prevent digestive issues like constipation. Additionally, Moringa contains natural antibiotic and antibacterial properties that can assist in maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. 6. Support for cardiovascular health. Moringa can contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and regulating blood pressure. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect the heart and blood vessels. Over time, this can reduce the risk of heart diseases. 7. Skin and hair benefits. Moringa's high content of vitamin A promotes healthy skin. It encourages collagen formation, aids in skin repair, and can help reduce the signs of aging. Moringa oil, extracted from the seeds, is also used topically to nourish and moisturize the skin and hair. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa leaves have been studied for their potential to lower blood sugar levels. They contain compounds that can improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of the condition. 9. Antioxidant protection. Moringa is a rich source of antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These compounds help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and the risk of chronic diseases. 10. Weight management. Moringa can support weight management due to its ability to enhance energy levels and reduce inflammation. It can also aid in maintaining a feeling of fullness, reducing unhealthy snacking. It's important to note that while Moringa offers numerous health benefits, it should be consumed in moderation. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort. Additionally, Moringa supplements should be used with caution, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding them to your daily routine, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. By adding Moringa into your daily diet can be a transformative step toward enhancing your overall health and well-being. Whether you choose to consume Moringa leaves, powder, or capsules, you are likely to experience a range of positive effects on your body. As with any dietary change, consistency is key, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized guidance on integrating Moringa into your daily routine. Hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for keeping up till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any question, drop it in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.